Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2017 Cadillac CTS. This one is the 3.6 liter V6. Not a bad car at all. Bose sound system. You got all the accessories and and a wheel locks, and does this still work? No, but giant flashlights. Is that a doorknob? No, it's a door stopper. So you got all that, comes with the car. This makes me feel like I'm a cop. You can stay there. That's oh, the battery, so that's nice. Let's see here. Boop. Ooh, it's frigid. Yes, I'm wearing shorts. Shut up. But yeah, this one has 82,000 miles on it. Not sure if we're really keeping this thing or not, because it's got a pretty noisy rear differential, which you'll see. One owner car. Do have backup camera. What is really so special about this car is the 8-speed automatic. Now, I've driven this 8-speed hundreds, if not thousands of times, no, definitely hundreds of times in trucks and stuff like that. But one thing GM seems to get right with their performance cars is the upshift tuning. Downshift, a little debatable, but upshift tuning is pretty darn good. Just drove the 8-speed in the Corvette C7, and that thing firecrackered shifts like that. It's a really impressive transmission when there it's a smooth shift. We are in sport mode, 3 modes. What is it, normal or Tour? Tour, Sport, and Snow Ice. Like I said, the one thing these guys do right is upshift tuning. It is phenomenal. Now, if I'm not mistaken, this is based on the Alpha platform, which I believe also underpins the Camaro, obviously in a little bit of an altered form. So good. I will say higher RPM downshifts are not as bad. These paddle shifters do feel great too. They are metal. Either that or there's some kind of fake plastic that sounds like metal. Even though I own a Hellcat, I'm a pretty big fan of GM performance cars. CT5 and 4 Blackwings are phenomenal cars. Even the V series are really good. For some reason, this is like the inverse of normal transmissions. The downshift from third to second is rougher than the downshift from second to first. I don't know why, but it is. So, again, this is 83,000 mile car. I don't know how much of this is normal. I do love this 3.6. Yes, they have their problems, or so I've heard. But it's such a good powerhouse. And it doesn't sound awful like a VQ with an exhaust that you hear at 3 in the morning. Especially when you rev these things out, they just sound so good. For a V6, obviously. My first ever used car appraisal was on a CT6 with the Blackwing twin turbo V8. I knew at the time how rare they were, but I didn't realize how rare they were. This is motorized? And it still works? I didn't realize how rare they were, so I kind of have, what's it called, an emotional connection to these GM performance cars, especially Cadillacs, and I don't know, that car was absolutely freaking stupid fast. I loved that thing. Why don't we have a green light? Can anybody answer that for me? Is this the song I think it is? I think it is. I don't know. Here we go. Could have made that. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.